Hey there again, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto with Pinnacle Property here again at Treviso Bay. Today we are previewing the Burano model. This is at the Peninsula here in Treviso Bay. It's a private enclave of 55 home sites, all custom homes built by Imperial Custom Homes of Naples. The Burano here is a 3,500 square foot, 4-bed, 4.5 bath, beautiful custom home, 3-car garage. Let's take a walk inside, take a nice little tour of the Burano here at the Peninsula. The Peninsula has its own gate, so it is private, only to the 55 homeowners here at the Peninsula. Now as we walk in to the foyer area, you have a nice great room directly in front. One of the most noticeable things about the Burano is those sliding glass doors right there. That's 24 feet of sliding glass doors, which pocket on the left and the right. So that opens up the complete great room area out to the beautiful lanai. But before we get to the rest of the home, let's start here in the front. Directly to the left of the entry is your master bedroom. Nice dual entry here. As we come in, really huge, spacious master. Tons of window allowing for natural lighting. Enough room for a beautiful seating area. And then you have your door leading out to the pool and lanai. And on the opposite side here, we're going to pass the huge closets here. So here's your first closet on one side. See how far back and deep that goes. And then directly across. Not quite as big, but definitely beautifully sized and appointed closet here on the other side of the master. Nobody's getting shorted in closet space here at the Peninsula. Walking into the bathroom, you've got your private commode directly to the left here. You have your split vanities. Again, tons of glass, natural lighting, separate tub. Then you've got the additional vanity and your glass enclosed master shower. Now coming out into the great room area, you've got your living room here, right next to your dining space and your kitchen, all beautifully open, great for entertaining. Everybody's part of the conversation here in the Burano from the kitchen. Now let's direct our attention to the left of the kitchen. That's where you're going to find, first and foremost, the powder room, the half bath that comes with the Burano floor plan. And then directly across from that, this monstrous pantry here. Tons of space. And then down the little hallway here, you're going to have your guest bedrooms. One on each side here. Both of them are ensuite. So nice size bedroom here. You have the walk-in closet. And then directly across you have the ensuite bath with your glass enclosed shower. Directly across this bedroom here is the other guest bed. Again, tons of natural lighting. Walk-in closet. And then again you have your ensuite bath with glass enclosed shower. Now coming back towards the very front of the house here, you have your laundry room, plenty of cabinet space, sink, nice lighting in here, and that all sits off the 3-car garage here with painted epoxy flooring. Now we're going to head to the opposite side of the kitchen. That's where we're going to find the pool bath and the final guest bedroom. So right here off the kitchen, this is your pool bath door here. And then to the right is your actual pool bath. Again, lots of natural lighting. That's a consistent theme with all the homes here at the Peninsula. And again, glass enclosed shower. And then the last but not least, guest room here, which sits towards the back. It's set up right now as an office space, and of course you can use it either as a den or as a fourth bedroom. Awesome view overlooking the pool area, and you have a walk-in closet right here as well. Now let's go take a look at the pool area. This will be the last space in the house to take a look at. Again, these sliding glass doors here, 24 feet of pocketing doors, which is amazing. We open this up and you've got a beautiful summer kitchen. There's your pool bath door. Tray ceiling up top. Tons of space out here for entertaining. And then you have your beautiful pool and spa here. This home here is overlooking the lake and also the holes here at Treviso Bay. The Burano here at the Peninsula is a spectacular floor plan. This actual home that I'm videoing right now is available for sale. You can purchase this home along with many others that are available here at the Peninsula in Treviso Bay. Guys, thanks for watching. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property Group, again here at the Peninsula at Treviso Bay. For all the latest and greatest information, you can find us at trevisobayatnaples.com. Just click on the Peninsula button. You'll see all the floor plans and information that we have available for you. Again, if you're interested in this home, you can contact us directly on our website, trevisobayatnaples.com. Thanks for watching, guys.